Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Sorry.
Well, sorry about the other one because I got a little scared.
Yeah.
That our dad, he just came in. We paused it, so sorry.
No,
And we're back.
We replayed it.
Oh yeah. And we're back now.
So we are going to be showing you guys some slime. So we're just gonna like take a little bit away and put the rest in the bucket.
Yeah, a little
Don't
bit
put
of
that.
wait.
So we have these tiny little slimes.
Yeah, we put some in the box in the
There's
basement.
a lot more. See.
Yeah. So if you put it together, it'll make a giant pizza.
Okay. So
Woo.
let's grab your slime. Okay. Let's move these things out the way. So first, me and Madison are going to be showing you guys the slime.
And we forgot to introduce our names. Her name's Allison. My name is Madison. And
Yeah. So
And actually, gonna be playing with our slimes to show you how the great and the colorful.
So let's get started. Madison is going to be showing you first. So she's going to be showing you what not to do with slimes. Okay? See that?
You cannot do this because it can go to the ground.
You can't do this
it.
because it just rips. That's bad treatment to slime because if you stretch it out very slowly and carefully, you'll get the
And if
thing
you
that
don't
want.
play with
Stop
it-
talking. Then you'll get the thing that you want if you stretch it very, very lightly and easily because you don't want to mistreat your slime because it won't last a very long time. If you go
And-
it won't last a very long time if you slap it and rip it and punch it and whack it, spin it around. So you gotta treat it nicely like this.
Yeah, and it can
Stretch it out like Madison, stop talking. Stretch it out lightly. You can do the Instagram swirl. Just stretch it. And just play with it like it's supposed to be played. Like poke holes in it. Play with the slime how it's supposed to be played, not mistreat it,
and
or
it
else
can
it won't last a very long time. Okay.
and it,
Madison, do you have any announcements?
Yes. and it
Okay,
can
then say
dye
them.
your hands.
Yes, can dye your hands. But this one can dye your hands. My friend made this for me, not me. I mean, my friend made this for me, but I did not make this.
Oh yeah, I have 3 watch for you guys. And if you don't play with it the right way, it will stick to your hands.
Yeah, and if you don't put enough like solution in it, whatever you're using, this one she used contact lens solution in. So if you don't put enough of that, or say if you're making this, these are the ingredients that you're gonna need: glue, any type of glue, except for tacky glue. No, don't use.
And wall
Madison, stop
glue.
talking. Don't use wood glue. Don't use tacky glue. You can use any type of glue, just not wood or tacky. So any type of glue, like school glue, liquid school glue. Glue sticks work if you melt them. So you're gonna use any type of liquid glue or glue sticks, water, paint, food coloring, glitter, whatever you want to add in. And then you're gonna add your baking soda. Then you're gonna need your contact lens solution, and then just stir and stir, and then wait, no, don't put your contact lens solution after the baking soda. After the baking soda, you either put lotion or gel to make it stretchy. That's what she did to this one to make it stretchy. This is how really stretchy it is. It's really stretchy, but I don't want to show you guys a lot because then you guys can't really see. Like, I guess
Do you see ours? Yep, this is.
They're really, really stretchy each. So each and all of them. The big one gets really stretchy.
When you put it all together, it gets really stretchy, and it can get big like a pizza.
Yes, it can.
A really big pizza.
So, yeah. So now what is in here? Oh, that's just glitter. Okay. Anyway. So after you put your gel or lotion in to make it really stretchy, then you're going to put that contact lens solution or Saltin solution. Same thing. They're both the same thing, really.
Oh, guys, look it's on my arm.
So yeah, and thanks for watching our video, and yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye.